Hey guys, it's Reagan from Prima Coffee, and today we are going to take a look at Hario's Buono Copper Kettle. It boasts a very similar design to their standard stainless steel Buono kettle, but the copper one is more of a statement piece, so let's see what it's all about. Today, a lot of the kettles on the market are designed to be more modern looking, more neutral designs. So if someone is looking for a kettle with a more ornate design, this is a great option. This paired with the copper V60 is really eye-catching. And on top of being beautifully crafted, its gooseneck spout really provides an optimized pour-over experience. Of course, it is the exterior that immediately stands out. It has a copper finish on the outside and inside is nickel-plated. It also has a clear coating all over that helps to prevent any off taste that may come from the copper, as well as reducing any tarnishing that could happen over time. The structure of it is very true to what you expect to see in a Buono kettle. It has the wide base and narrow bottom and the shorter height, and this promotes quicker heating. It also has the really pretty curves that, really optimize the luster of the copper. The only big difference between the copper kettle and the stainless steel Buono kettle is the size. The copper kettle only comes in a 900 milliliter option. Another difference between the copper Buono kettle and the standard stainless steel one is the spout. The copper has a slightly slimmer, more refined gooseneck spout that just makes for a more optimized pouring experience. Now, this is a newer version of the standard copper Buono kettle. The only difference that we really came to find is the silicone slip that goes over the brass handle. And all this is there for is just to prevent any burns. To heat water using the Buono kettle, you can use it on a stovetop, but you need to make sure that it's gas, electric, halogen, radiant, or sheathed. Don't put it on an induction burner or an induction stovetop. Also, it says not to put it in a microwave or oven. So the copper Buono kettle is beautiful, it's efficient, but it is made of copper, so it will get hot. Make sure never to heat it without water inside of it. And when you are filling it, never fill it to the brim. About 700 milliliters or less is a good point. The holes on the lid, make sure they are facing away from the handle because, again, you will get burned. We did find that the lid is a little bit loose. It's not loose enough that we found it to fall off, but it is something to be aware of. We did also note that it gets stuck to wooden counters. Now, it does so without damaging the kettle or the countertop, but we felt like it should be noted. And care for it is very simple. Make sure to hand wash it using a soft sponge or rag and a mild detergent. Avoid using anything abrasive because it could damage it. And it does come with an instruction manual that has a long list of how to properly use it and care for it. So that is it for the Hario Buono Copper Kettle. It is beautiful, it is efficient, and you can find it online at primacoffee.com. And thanks for watching. Thanks again for watching. If you like what you saw, you'll be pleased to know there is much more content where that came from. You can check out our website for overviews, comparisons, recipes, and event coverage. And you can help out our channel by liking this video, subscribing, commenting, sharing, or ringing the bell. Happy brewing, y'all.